severe weather season of 2018 was as dangerous as it was costly. Between March and May, 4 separate events cost $1 billion in damage or more each. Coming in at number 6 on our top 10 events of 2018, a multi-day 15-state April severe weather outbreak. More than 70 tornadoes touched down from Louisiana to Virginia. Things kicked off on the 13th. After a particularly dangerous situation, or PDS tornado watch, was issued, a half-mile wide EF2 caused extensive damage and multiple injuries near Mountainburg, Arkansas. Into the early hours of the 14th, a tornado near Shreveport, Louisiana, resulted in 1 fatality. Hundreds of large hail and destructive wind reports stretch as far north as the upper Midwest. By the 15th, the threat shifted into the mid-Atlantic. Embedded tornadoes began popping up within a large line of thunderstorms, including an EF2 near Greensboro, North Carolina.
The neighborhood is just totally devastation everywhere. But everybody seems to be okay. Thank God that we are alive. You know, we are here with our lives and everything, so we're just totally blessed for that.
Power line down.
The other $3 billion severe thunderstorm events round out the middle of the pack. These 3 merge to make number 5 on our top 10 events of 2018. A potent severe storm system sliced through the South in mid-March. Things kicked off on the 18th with baseball, softball, and even grapefruit-sized hail in Texas. Large hail continued on the 19th, but it was the tornado threat that really exploded into north-central Alabama. The most notable, an EF3 that tore through Jacksonville, doing extensive damage to Jacksonville State University. Security footage shows the harrowing moments as the tornado ripped through campus, building by building. Multiple injuries were reported with storms from Mississippi to Georgia. May got off to a rocky start as a powerful storm system crashed into the Central Plains. Kansas and Nebraska confirmed more than a dozen tornadoes in 2 days. This massive EF3 near Tescott, Kansas, was on the ground for 14 miles. Straight-line winds were reported up to 92 miles per hour. Hail accumulated 6 inches deep near Greensburg, Kansas. By May the 4th, the force of the wind punished the Northeast. Less than 2 weeks later, a slow-moving storm system kept severe weather danger in the same spot for several days. The Central Plains were once again rocked by hail and heavy rains. But it was the Northeast that saw the greatest impact, with a dozen tornadoes and back-to-back derechos, or long-lived widespread windstorms. 5 people died, all because of trees falling on vehicles. These 4 severe weather events caused a combined $5.1 billion in damages. To see the rest of our top 10 events of 2018, head to WeatherNationTV.com. For Weather Nation, I'm meteorologist Carissa Kloss.